blankets work, I'll try that again. My mother called. This is the secret spot, and I don't really have plans. I'm not camping. I gotta be back tonight, but there's a fire pit and there's some firewood here, and I think I'm gonna make some food. Dude, these horseflies. I think I'm gonna do like a series of episodes of like frontier food, like what people actually ate out in the wilderness 150, 200 years ago. That might be kind of cool. So yeah, I'm gonna make like an old German Scandinavian dish, traditional sauerkraut and dumplings, and we'll see how that goes. oh, and I found this. I found this at a thrift store for $9.99, $10. I think this is from, I think, late 70s, and it's brand new and has never been opened. So we're gonna try cooking on this. And if this fails, I have my cast iron. Ticks everywhere. Horseflies everywhere. First of all, let's just break that. Dude, what is this wood? What is this? These are called feather sticks. You're basically just taking a really thin shaving so that it curls up. I'm gonna get all these off and make a little pile. If you watched my last video, you'll remember me talking about having a lighter in your pocket in case you don't have another means to start a fire. That is precisely my scenario today. Forgot my fire starters, so I had some of these in the truck, and I have a lighter. This is a little fire plug, and they light pretty good. So sorry guys, no cool fire starter technique today, but I do have these. And we're doing a combination of log cabin and teepee here. And I got a piece of a 2x4, so we'll get that in there. And I think this should go. I'm thirsty. Gotta find my water. But, oh no, a box of wine. Dang. Oh, and a wine glass. Shoot, couldn't find my water bottle, so I guess I'll have to drink wine. Darn. This fire's going. Let's start making food. My hands are gross. So we're gonna go down this trail. Oh dude, there's a beach. This is the spot to hang out, honestly. There's a little beach. Bring the chair down here. I know where I'm eating dinner. I know where I'm eating dinner. We've got boiling water going on over here. Perfect. That needs to cook a little bit more, for sure. So I'm just going to put the meat in the gravy because it is definitely a little bit undercooked. Made way too many dumplings. I have 3 more over there, giant ones. Don't know what I'm going to do with those. What do you look like? Very raw? Nope. That actually looks really good. Maybe I am going to put you back in there. Back on the fire for a second. I don't know. Don't feel like giving myself food poisoning, so. That is so good. We're going to get a little bit of sauce on it. And I'll show you this. I mean, it doesn't look phenomenal, but it's unreasonably good. It honestly kind of makes me a little bit emotional. Used to eat this every time I used to see my grandma and grandpa when I was a kid. It's like my favorite meal. I haven't had it in a long time. But Grandma taught me how to make it. Damn.